you doing? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making avocado oil. Yeah, let's do that. And also guys, if this is the first time here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Yeah, and here I have my avocados. To make our avocado oil, I'm going to use 5 medium ripe avocados. The avocados should be overripe and not rotten. Yeah, some of my avocados were rotten. After I'm done cutting, I'm just going to make sure that I will not blend the rotten ones. I just separate them. Yeah, and that's what I'm doing. And then once I'm done, we're going to put them here. So you can mash them or you can blend them. I'm going to put all the puree in the pan, and then you're going to go straight to the cooker. So I'm using a hot method, and there is no carrier oil. I'm not going to use carrier oil to make our avocado oil. I'm only using just avocados. I'll keep stirring under low heat. As you watch on the process, you can see they already have started losing some water. Now the next step, you see they are completely dry, and it means they are almost. So they have already turned brown, and this process takes long. So you know they are ready once you start seeing a little bit of oil coming out. And also once you press on the dry pulp, you're able to see a lot of oil coming out. I'll switch off the burner and let it cool down. To extract my avocado oil, I'm going to use this cloth. Just put the dry pulp in there and then start squeezing. Yeah, you start extracting the oil, and that is what I'm doing. And it is just an easy process, but needs a lot of effort. I love the color green rich avocado oil, and this is heat pressed avocado oil. I'm going to use this one for my hair. So remember guys, just use low heat when drying it, so that you are able to not like destroy all the nutrients. Once you use a lot of heat when drying the avocado, you're going to notice that when extracting the oil, it's not going to be green color, it's going to be brown color. So you'll have destroyed the nutrients. You'll also notice that the oil is so thick, and I don't normally use it on its own. Like I always add to my other oils like coconut oil and olive oil, because it's very thick, and depending on your hair porosity. So this oil is going to last up to 12 months. You don't really need to add any preservatives to this oil. Most people add vitamin E, even though vitamin E is not a preservative, but that is normally added to oil based products. I'm going to store the oil in a cool, dry place, and I'll mix it with my other oils for hair and for my face. And that is it guys, we have our heat pressed avocado oil. If you've watched this video until here, thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and that marks the end of it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.